You are watching our unboxing video. The Xperia Z1 builds upon the success of the Sony Xperia Z in virtually every way. You've got a better screen, you've got a more waterproof design, moving from water resistance to waterproofing, and you've got a 20.7 megapixel Sony Xperia RS sensor, not to mention a Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 processor clocked at 2.2 GHz, but you don't care about that because this is an unboxing video, so let's talk you around the box. Firstly, standard Sony styling, really nice flat packaging, simple, minimalistic, black, simple logos, and on the reverse you've got some key detailing, 20.7 megapixels as we said, Xperia RS, Bions for mobile, triluminous display, X Reality for mobile, Full HD, 1080p, water resistant, Android, waterproofing even, Android Wi-Fi certified, 2.2 GHz quad-core, and a 5-inch display. All in all, impressive stuff, but what's more impressive is always inside the box. So the first step to showing that off is removing some plastic. So as we can see, we've got the Xperia Z1 here, and we can power it up and put it to one side as it powers up. While it does so, we can take a look inside the box itself. Sony's packaging is notoriously flat, simple, minimalistic. We've got a European power charger here. As we are in Berlin, we have the European version, micro USB to full-size USB, and in addition to that, we've got some literature, so we can throw all that to the side. This is a pre-installed application notification. You've got a startup guide, which we can open up. As you can see, all very simple. Basically telling you, make sure everything is sealed or else your phone will not be waterproof. And finally, some other declaration information, which is significantly more boring, so we're not going to dwell on it. While we're here, we might as well bring the phone back into frame, remove some of that plastic to reveal the beauty of the Sony Xperia Z1. Switching on the screen, triluminous 1080p display, 5 inches, very respectable pixel density. We'll quickly talk you around the device. Firstly, it immediately feels different. It's a solid metal unibody at the heart, and it feels way more solid. It's a bigger device. It's over 8mm thick in contrast to the 7.9mm Xperia Z, but it definitely also feels more sturdy. On the right hand side, you've got a flap for the SIM card slot. On the right hand side below that is a power button, volume rocker, and a 2-stage camera button as well. We can let the camera focus in on those buttons. In fact, let's bring that closer to frame so you can really see what we're talking about. And on the base there are no buttons whatsoever, but there is a grill for the speakers. On the other side there is a magnetic dock, not to mention a micro USB charging port and a micro SD card, expandable up to 64 gigabytes. Close all that up, and up at the top is a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the reverse is that 20.7 megapixel camera and an NFC point for the connection. There is still a glass backing, there is still a glass front. We're assuming it's Dragon Trail glass again, so it should deliver that scratch resistance. All in all though, that's been an unboxing video. If you have any questions, please fire us a comment below. We will be sure to post our first impressions promptly for you. Please like the video.